Today in this video we will learn about how to disable right-click on images in WordPress website. If you want to disable right-click over images in the WordPress website, then in that case log into your WordPress dashboard and then go to Add New under Plugin section. Now here search for a new plugin, that is Disable Right-Click for WP. Install this plugin and then activate it. Now finally, once this plugin is activated, here go to the given option under Settings section and then enable these settings. You will reach Disable Right-Click for WordPress. You just have to switch it on and then save the setting. As soon as you perform this setting at your website's front end, as you right-click over an image, you will not be able to perform your goal. You will be displayed a JavaScript pop-up that right-click has been disabled.